Today we're gonna be replacing the starter on this. Alright, so we're in the engine bay. The starter is down there. You guys can see the sticker kind of shining. To get down there, we gotta remove the intake manifold, this hose. So yeah, we'll get started right now, disconnecting the battery. This is why I don't fuck with shit. Tab just broke off. Then here we have 3 bolts and 2 nuts to remove. That's a problem. This is 1 bolt, that's the second, and the third. After you got all the other nuts and bolts, you gotta get this